Two masterpieces, two legends: the Ferrari Daytona SP3 with its screaming V12 and the Pagani Huayra Roadster BC with its thunderous twin-turbo V12. Both are worth over £4 million, but today only one will prove itself on the drag strip. This is Motor Vista, and you're about to witness an unforgettable race. On the runway today, we have a race that feels like a once-in-a-lifetime spectacle: the Ferrari Daytona SP3 facing the Pagani Huayra Roadster BC. The Ferrari is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, delivering an incredible 840 horsepower and 697 Newton-meters of torque, channeled through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox with launch control. At just around 1,600 kilograms, it's designed to combine classic Ferrari soul with modern track-bred performance. On the other side, the Pagani Huayra Roadster BC brings a 6-liter twin-turbocharged AMG V12, producing 802 horsepower and an astonishing 1,050 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a 7-speed automated manual transmission. At only 1,350 kilograms, the Huayra's lighter frame and massive torque promise explosive acceleration. Both hypercars are rear-wheel drive, both brimming with craftsmanship, detail, and performance pedigree, and both priced at over £4 million. As the lights go green, the Ferrari leaps forward with incredible sound, its naturally aspirated V12 screaming through every gear, while the Pagani surges with turbocharged thrust, fighting to put all that torque down on the tarmac. Across the quarter mile, the Ferrari edges ahead, clocking an astonishing 10.6 seconds, while the Pagani crosses in 11.2 seconds. Next, in the rolling race, both cars accelerate from mid-speed, and once again the Ferrari shows the advantage of seamless power delivery, maintaining the lead past the half-mile. In the brake test from 100 miles per hour, both hypercars demonstrate incredible stopping power, but the Ferrari just manages to halt slightly shorter, securing another point. What makes this battle so special isn't just the numbers, it's the drama of two engineering icons pushing the limits of design, power, and passion. The Ferrari proves itself as the sharper performer on the strip, but the Pagani's artistry, torque, and exclusivity remain unmatched in their own right. Together, they create one of the most breathtaking spectacles in automotive history. This is the magic of hypercars, and this is Motor Vista, bringing you the world's greatest battles on wheels. Tell us in the comments, which of these two legends would you take home?